So let's discuss about TCP header. Now, normally if you are going to see TCP header have a typical structure like I have mentioned here. The minimum header size consists of 20 bytes. We are going to discuss about each field here and how many bit each field consume. And maximum header size, maximum TCP header size is 60 byte. It is a very important question. You may face such kind of question in any numerical or any conceptual question. Now, the first field is source port field, which consists of 16 bits, and next one is destination port, which also consists of 16 bits. Thereafter, we are having 16 sequence number that consists of 32 bits, and thereafter acknowledgement number field that is of 32 bit. Basically, each field is having its own functions, its own working. We are going to discuss one by one just after discussion of this TCP header, right? In the next part, we are having header length of 4 bits. 6 bits are reserved. Thereafter, we are having urgent bits, acknowledgement bit, push bit, reset bit, synchronization, and finishing bit. 1 bit each. Thereafter, we are having window size, or we can also call it as an advertisement window, which is going to be held 16 bit. Thereafter, next field is checksum field, consists of 16 bits, and the next one is urgent pointer, which also contain 16 bits. Thereafter, we are having options, which have range from 0 to 40 byte, and thereafter whatever data we want to send. So normally, if you are going to see each row is going to contain 32 bit. Each row is going to contain 32 bit, and you know that 1 byte equals to 8 bits. So 32 bit is nothing but 4 byte. So each row is 4 byte, 4 byte, 4 byte, 4 byte, and 4 byte. 4 5s are 20 byte. So this is the minimum header size. This size is minimum header size of TCP, which contain 20 bytes. And if we include option field, in which some options bits can also be added, which have range from 0 to 40 byte. So in maximum, we can add 40 bytes more. So total as a maximum header size, it would be 60 bytes, right? And thereafter data can be added to it. So it is a very typical structure of TCP header. Now we are going to discuss about each and every field sequentially, right?